Civil authorities have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves or urns and attacking the living. The evidence was found from a dead body of a human. The body was identified as 30-year-old Corey Davison. He is an Asian male, 7 feet, 4 inches tall, weighs 128 pounds, green hair, green right eye, blue left eye, and was last seen wearing a red sweater and blue jeans. Please do not attempt to approach or fight these bodies, as they are considered extremely dangerous. This warning applies to Tennessee, California, Pennsylvania, and Moss. Turn into 2:30 p.m. for updates.